Welcome everyone to another episode of A Bright Side and another episode of Florida Friday. Today we are here at Disney's Animal Kingdom, so let's go check it out. Love the entrance here at Animal Kingdom. This has to be one of the nicest entrances to a Disney park. Alright, we're going to skirt through the Oasis and then we can access the individual lands here belonging to Disney's Animal Kingdom. I think we're gonna head towards Dino USA, Dino Land USA, and maybe Asia. Let's see how we get on. Alright, there it is. The Tree of Life, which is the centerpiece here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. The amount of sculptures on that tree is ridiculous. Alright, entering Discovery Island. Lots of water here. So on the left as you enter, you've got the Island Mercantile. You have got the Riverside Depot, depending on how you like to pronounce it and where you're from. It's almost like Animal Kingdom's version of Main Street. Handy signpost, so you've got Africa and Pandora off to the left. It's Tough to Be a Bug off to the right, along with Dino Land USA. And more of our fantastic bronze statues here to celebrate the 50th anniversary of Walt Disney World here in Florida. Timon, Pumbaa and Simba. Love it. Alright, so Asia off to our left. We're heading into Dino Land USA.
There's a 14-foot.
We've just come across Kevin from
Good
Up.
morning, Kevin! I was wondering why they kept saying your name. I was like, oh, she's not here yet. Good morning, everyone. So if you don't know, this is Kevin. She's a 14-foot tall bird. 14 feet with plumes. It's easier to grab photos of her than it is to grab with her. Unless you are a selfie master, as she is.
Well, that was nice to see Kevin. Alright, heading into Dino Land USA. Neat little view of Kite Tails, which is one of the shows here.
That's a big dinosaur.
Has AJ seen it?
Yeah, he's roaring.
He's roaring, AJ's roaring. So on the left-hand side as we enter Dino Land USA, we've got the Boneyard Fossil Fun Site, which is like a kid's little play area in there. A little spinner attraction. Drawing a blank on the name of it, I'll find that out in a second. It's the Triceratops Spin. So this section of Dino Land USA is it was supposed to be like a carnival, like a fair, because if you look at the floor, they've made it look like a car park with like rubbish tarmac that's all splitting in the sun. So I think that's what it's supposed to be. It's like a carnival here in a parking lot. So the idea of this bit is that you buy some like tickets, and then those tickets are valid so that you can go up to all these little like games and try and win a little prize. So I think we might do that. Let's go and buy some tickets. Okay, Shelley's sorting out a couple of tickets. Let's see what we can do. So we've got 4 tickets, a little bit steep, obviously, you know, theme park prices, but $6 per ticket, so $6 per game.
4 comets, throw them into the galaxy, and try and land in a colorful crater. If you land in a colorful crater, that crater color will dictate your prize based on my chart. If it lands in a black hole, that means it's gone forever. And if it doesn't make it in, or bounces in and bounces out, you'll get 1 extra.
Give it a go.
Ready? My 3 players. No rock.
Please.
Will you get that back again? Green, you'll get 1 back again.
Better than me, I think.
No win. Wap, wap, wap.
Sad trombone moment.
Is anyone else trying to play?
Right, so Shelley's going to go for
You
the
want to play? You guys
water
okay?
gun
You wanna play?
game.
Find a seat.
Let's see if she does better than me.
Get set and go. Right out of the gates. Oh, we're doing good. We're doing good. It's always very close at this game. It's always hard to tell who's going to be the winner. Number 14.
Oh.
Thank you all for playing. You all did great.
Right, I'm back up for the Bronto score.
Only if you touch it. Whenever you're ready, you can go ahead. Good job. That counts, yeah.
Yay! We got 2 on that one.
Do you want to do a Mickey or a Minnie, or do you want to do the Raptor?
Go for Raptor.
Oh, so we're going to get the Dino? You want to do what? No, we have to get 3. You've got 2. So is this one okay? His name is Cousin Daryl. He's Donald Duck's cousin. Do you think he looks like Donald Duck? Yeah, maybe a little bit. Okay.
There we go. We did it. High five. Yeah. Right, 1 ticket left. We're going to do the Mammoth Marathon. Looks like there's only 1 other competitor, so Shelley's in for a good chance. Let's see how well she gets on. All right, here we go. Shelley's number 8. Oh, she's losing. She's losing.
All right. Taking off so far. All right.
Yay! She won!
Thanks for playing, guys. Thanks for stopping by.
How about that? Wow! And you got the Raptor, you got the Triceratops. So we played 4 games and we won 2 of them. Do you know what? That's perfect, really, isn't it? Because...
Let's face it, you ain't going to buy 2 Disney plushes for $24.
No, that's right. Right, well, that was super fun. So what we're going to do now is, I know it's early in the day, but the kids are getting quite hot already. So we are now just going to stop for a very quick pit stop, a little refreshment break. An Aberdeen stork. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Aberdeen stork. What have you got, Tilly? Ooh. Nice. Over there?
Chocolate banana, frozen, with nuts.
And the boy.
AJ's got a Mickey Premium bar.
Yay. I do love American lemonade. Right, so Shelley has taken Matilda onto Dinosaur, which is a sort of like you get into like a vehicle which drives through time back to the prehistoric period. It's kind of rough. I think you have to be 40 inches. I think 40 inches is the height. So Matilda's never been on it before because she would have been too small last time, but now she is big enough. I think she's 47 inches, so she's well over the 40-inch mark to ride Dinosaur. AJ, however, 38 inches, so we're gonna sit this one out for a minute. So, 30 minutes later.
I loved it.
We like that ride anyway, don't we?
Yeah, that was really good.
How did Matilda like it?
She did really good actually. It's the first big ride that she's done.
Yeah.
There was no tears. She didn't love it, but
A little bit frightened.
it's quite scary though. There's a lot
Yeah.
of dinosaurs coming at you.
Yeah, there is, yeah.
So I think she did really well.
So the wait time has jumped up a little bit now, so I think we're gonna skip me going on that for a minute. We'll see, maybe like later on in the day, we can always come back to Dino Land USA. And of course we are coming back to Animal Kingdom next week, so you know we've got time. I will definitely do it at some point, but as of now, not right now. But we are going to go and check the wait time for Expedition Everest. So let's go to Asia. That mountain up there. Expedition Everest. Okay, it says a 35-minute wait. I'm not sure about this. We'll see. Okay, heading in. It's actually just jumped up another 5 minutes to 40, so that's a bit annoying. This is another queue that has phenomenal theming. Oh, that's refreshing. Been in line about 20 minutes. All the equipment you could need to go mountaineering.
Actually, I think it's here.
Okay, we're just about there, not too bad.
Attention Expedition Everest team members. Once on board, secure all gear in the cargo bag.
Was that fun?
Scared me.
Scary?
Scared me.
Oh!
It was up high. I couldn't put my neck down because it was sticky up high.
Oh! Okay. Exiting via the gift shop. Some cool stuff in here, mind. Right, we are going to head toward the Flame Tree BBQ for a bite to eat because it's gone 12. Shelley's just placing the order online, and then we'll go pick it up. It does smell very good. Right, so I've got half a chicken with some French fries, a little bit of slaw. Looks really good. Shellbell's got like the half and half. You've got the
chicken and ribs.
Chicken and ribs with the beans and coleslaw and the cornbread.
Chili's got some chicken.
Chicken leg.
And some graham crackers.
And AJ has just woken up.
Wow. What is that?
You'll like it if you try it. Okay.
Is it good?
Quite spicy.
Quite spicy, but nice. How's yours, Mama Bear?
Yeah, it's really good. I'm really enjoying it.
Cool.
Behind you.
Daddy, look behind me.
Oh yeah, you got. Oh yeah. More birds have arrived.
Honey, wow, that's a really long neck.
Yeah, it's got a long neck.
Birds here. How many birds are here?
That was lunch.
Delicious. I really enjoyed it.
It was good, wasn't it?
Huge
Yeah,
portion.
I've heard a lot of good things about the Flame Tree grill. Flame Tree grill? Yeah.
Flame Tree BBQ.
Barbecue. Grill, barbecue. Yeah.
Flame Tree.
Flame Tree. I've heard a lot of good things about that, and that was very delicious. We've had a fantastic morning here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. We are going to call it quits, however, because we actually just want to go back to the hotel, take the load off, put the camera down, and just chill. I think that's what we're going to do. We have got another reservation next week for Animal Kingdom, so we will definitely be back. Plus, of course, after 2 p.m. you can park swap anyway, or hop rather, park hop. So, you know, if we're like an Epcot Centre or Magic Kingdom and we think to ourselves, let's go over to Animal Kingdom and it's 2 o'clock, we can do so. Do love this park. Tilly, did you enjoy the park? Yeah? So I do hope you enjoyed the video. Do all the YouTube gubbins, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, etc. We're on social media, we're on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. I had to think then for a minute. At the bright side, so... Shall I leave that bit in? So check us out there. We shall see you next Friday for another episode of Florida Friday. So from us to you, cheers and gone.
Alright then folks, thanks for visiting us here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. We hope you had a wild time today. As you make your way up today, please